What's the meaning of Companies House? Companies House. Companies House.
Companies House. Companies House. Companies House is the official register of companies in the United Kingdom. It is responsible for maintaining accurate and up-to-date information about all registered companies, including their directors, shareholders, and financial statements. The information held by Companies House is publicly available, and anyone can access it, which promotes transparency and accountability in business. It plays a crucial role in enabling businesses and consumers to make informed decisions about the companies they deal with. Companies House also has an important role in ensuring compliance with UK company law and preventing fraud.